welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making my quick and easy game day nachos. Alright, so I have some bell peppers, some onion, 2 pounds of ground beef, Shelly's house seasoning. You can use whatever all-purpose seasoning you have. I have some taco seasoning, some roasted garlic and herb, some nacho cheese sauce, and some scoops. This is real quick and easy and simple. Anybody can make it. Alright guys, let's get started. We're going to move over to the stove. Alright guys, in my pan I have a couple tablespoons of olive oil. We're just going to go in with our onions and bell peppers. Put them all into the pan. That was 1 medium onion and 1 bell pepper, guys. We're just going to saute this up just like so. I'm going to throw a little Shelly's house seasoning in there. Again, you can use whatever your favorite type of all-purpose seasoning would work here. I'm going to go in with some Weber's roasted garlic. And we just saute this down. Smells amazing already with the onions and the peppers. And a little seasoning. Alright, when this gets to a translucent point, we're going to come back, guys. And then I'm going to show you what to do next. Alright guys, so look at that. That looks amazing. Starting to turn clear in the color, translucent, giving them a head start before I add my ground beef. And we're going in with my 2 pounds of ground beef, guys. Oh wow. And you just go in. This is a game day pleaser, I promise. You know, the playoffs right around the corner. Can't wait. You had no playoff Sundays. You want this for game day hookup. You just go in. Just get that in there just like so. Now we're going to go in and season it up with some more Weber's roasted garlic and herb. And remember guys, all of the ingredients are going to be in the description box. So while y'all down there, go ahead and hit that notification bell and that subscribe button so you be notified every time I make these delicious videos for you guys. Oh yeah. So we going in with some Shelly's house seasoning. And we covered in with my taco seasoning. And we're going to use about 1/4 cup of this taco seasoning. I'm telling you, this just smells like nachos. Nacho hep. There we go. And we just go in. And just smash that thing down in there just like so. And just get it all cooked up. And so once this get where I want it, I'm going to come back and show you guys what to do next. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I just turned the fire off. looks amazing. Oh yes, it looks amazing. Alright, so now we're going to start to assemble this beautiful nachos. Alright, so let's move over to the counter. Alright guys, before we build these nachos, you can put whatever you want on there. Jalapenos on here. You do whatever you want. But this is my version of the quick one for game day. And everybody can make their own however they want it. You can set up a station and do what you want to do. But this is how I like to make my nachos, guys. Like I said, you do whatever you want. I like to sprinkle my cheese down first. This is just what I want to do. I'm going to go in and grab some of that meat mixture. And it looks and smells amazing. As much as you want. Just like that. We're going to go in some of this cheese. Like so. And you always eat these on a paper plate. Never on your good china. And go in with some more cheese. And you're like probably saying, oh, that cheese. It's good. I'm telling you, it is good. And you get you some sour cream or some creme fraiche. I have some creme fraiche. Figure out how to open this thing. Get you some creme fraiche. And a dollop just like that. Bam! You got Shelly's nachos right here. Right here. And now we're gonna go in. Oh yeah. Game day ain't never tastes so good. Okay. Okay, you'll see ya. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now you can make a whole platter of these, but with COVID and stuff going around, and people make it individually, you don't gotta worry about them putting their hand in them nachos or doing something. You think, alright. Oh, game day nacho. Quick and easy. Alright guys, I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna eat this whole plate on camera. Yes, y'all know. Alright guys, see y'all in the next video.